Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken momos at home, full guide. Start by kneading a soft dough and let it rest while you chop aromatics precisely. Mix ground chicken with onion, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and salt, then taste and adjust seasoning. Roll thin circles, fill with 1 tablespoon of filling each, and pinch edges tightly before steaming until cooked through and juicy. Begin by heating a little oil and sautéing chopped onion until soft, then add minced garlic and ginger for aroma. Cook briefly to mellow raw bite, then transfer to a bowl and allow to cool slightly before combining with ground chicken. Add soy sauce, a pinch of sugar, salt, and freshly ground pepper, mix until cohesive, and chill the mixture so it holds together when you wrap each momo. Flour your surface lightly and roll each dough ball into a roughly 3-5-inch circle for consistent size and cooking. Place a measured spoonful of chilled filling in the center, wet the edge, and pleat while rotating to create a neat seal. Arrange momos with space between them, steam for about 10 to 12 minutes until cooked through, then serve hot with chili oil or a tangy soy dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.